Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Shopify mobile app products to your admin role step by step clearly. Open your Shopify mobile app. Log into your account with your credentials. Navigate to the products section located at the bottom of your screen. Select the product you wish to transfer to your admin role. Tap on the product to view its details. In the product details screen, look for the Edit button. Tap on Edit to access the product's editable options. Scroll down to find the Product Status section. Change the status to Draft or Inactive. Save your changes by tapping the Save button at the top right corner. Return to the products list by using the back arrow. Select the same product again from the list. Now, tap on the More Actions option. Choose Transfer Product from the menu. Enter the email associated with your admin account. Confirm the transfer request. You will receive a notification once the transfer is completed. Log into your admin account through a computer or the Shopify app. Navigate to the Products section from your admin dashboard. Locate the product in the Drafts or Inactive category. Edit the product details as necessary. Finally, publish the product by changing the status back to active. Your product is now successfully transferred to your admin role. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.